Hey, this is Slap Out Lash Girl Melissa and welcome back to my channel. We are going to use a Morphe eyeshadow. These little tiny, oh my gosh, look how it just, it's like a mirror. Seriously, you could do your makeup in this. You could see yourself. Now, these are the colors. Oh, girl. So come on. I want you to learn how to do this. And I think you will love it. And this is our finished look right here. So that's where we're headed. Come on. Okay, we're going to use a little bit of concealer. This is Younique's concealer. It's the new one. I'll absolutely love it. And this is 3.5N, so it's a neutral color. And then we're going to use this brush right here. This is BK Beauty's Nikki LaRose, and it's what, N16? Yes, N16. We're going to use that to apply it with, okay? So what I'm going to do, I mean, you can use your fingers if you want to. I could do one side with my fingers or one side with a brush. It doesn't really matter what you want to do. Just put a little bit, and I'll do this side with my fingers, and then we'll use the brush just to see if there's any difference, okay? But what this does is I have a lot of discoloration, and so what this does, it evens out my skin tone because this particular concealer is the same color as my skin. So that's the reason I like to use it in this way, because it evens everything out and nothing's competing with each other, okay? So let's see what this does on this side. Same thing, it's just we're going to, see that brown, I have a brown spot right there. And so you're gonna hear my doggy barking. We have so much going on right now with family and things, and he's large and in charge, that's what he is. See that? See how it evened it out on both sides? Now, we're going to take just a little bit. I'm going to use the same brush, and we're going to dip down in here. Kind of get most of it off, okay? And then go across it. You can pat it if you want to. You can swipe it if you want to. It's probably better to kind of pat it and stipple it like I'm doing. And that way, it sets. Now, do allow it to settle for a few minutes, not a whole long time, okay? You'll like it in the end. See? They're both the same. Now, I'm going to take this Deluxe brush. This is Younique's Deluxe brush. And I'm going to use this color right here. Why am I using that first? Well, I want to brighten things up in this area only. And so tap it off in case you get too much. And you just kind of want to pat this in. Don't really swipe it. Just kind of pat it in. And it really does open up that inner corner. Look at that. And that's where you need to concentrate on when you're doing this eyeshadow. Don't put it here at all. Just right here in this corner. It's the only matte that's in this palette. I'm going to go ahead and do both sides. That way I can get them even. You know your eyes are not the same. You can look at my eyes and tell they're totally different. And mine, like this one is more my lazy eye and this one's bigger. You know, compensation is really hard to do sometimes. And I have that wonderful brown spot there. And it really does help to kind of cover that up and brighten. So if you have that kind of stuff too, just think about it. Open it up. Right here in the corners first. We're going to use this color right here. Yeah, it's got a little shim to it, but it's okay. It's a very beautiful color. And this is BK Beauty 207. 207. And it's just a little crease brush, and I just cleaned it. But we're going to take a little bit of this color here. Get it on the end. And then what we're going to do is I want you to... Either you can create a line here if you want to. If you're like me and you need a point because I have hooded eyes. So relax your face. It's like that. I look mad, but I'm not. And what you're going to do is, there's my pupil, and I'm just going to come right up here and put that color. That way you can see that's how high I need to go so that you can actually see this color and it's not going to be stuck in my crease. Okay, that's kind of sort of how it works. So if you have that, and sometimes you just acquire it when you age, but then I like to come over here and draw my little line. take it up where it needs to be. Got it? Yes, you do. Got it? And then just connect it. Just come through here and connect it. Now, we're not going to finish it out with this. I'm going to get a different brush. But that's really pretty. Really, really pretty. I'm going to get just a shade more. And I do like to bring it up in this area and over. Can you see it? Isn't that cool? You can do this. I swear you can. This is a beauty. They had other colors too. I'm going to go back and probably get the neutral one because I think that one would really be pretty too. I had a lot of comments when I did this, and I did do this on my ladies' night, and they all loved it. So I'm going to take a fluffy crease brush, which is Younique's brush here, and I'm going to come back into this color. Don't get a lot of it, okay? Because we're only doing one side, and then I'm going to finish the other one off camera. And now my doggy's gonna bark. That's my Roscoe, my rescue doggy. He's a mess, y'all. He is. Oh, we've had him 7, 8 months now, I guess, something like that. He's come a long way, y'all, from what he was. If you didn't know, I'm an avid dog lover. I love dogs. I just have a thing about doggies. Love them. Okay. See that? Gosh, that's pretty. Can you guess what color we're going to use now? The middle one. Isn't that beautiful? I just love these little palettes. These are easy. You can take them with you. And I'm just going to use Younique's little shader liner brush. And I'm just going to get the color there. I'm always pat it off on my hand a little bit. And this is going to be our lid color. I just think it's so pretty. I got done with this the other night and I was just shocked. Now you can either use a black eyeliner. I'm actually going to use a black liquid liner, and I'm going to use the color Proper, which is a chocolate brown matte. You know, there's nothing shiny about it. This is the only shiny part in the whole thing. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness. I really love these little palettes. I think they're adorable. Now, I am going to bring just a little bit of shine up through there. Look at that. It opens up your whole entire eye. Now, I'm going to use this liquid eyeliner. It's Younique's eyeliner. I love this one. It is black. But it has like a little, I don't know what you call that, like an angle. I love it in the point there. Really great product. Now, I only use this in my waterline. Okay, so what I'm going to do is come right up here, and I'm just going to put it right, well, into my lash line, really. I don't put it on the waterline. What am I thinking? Do I even think? Oh, goodness, so much going on right now. I can't think about anything. Oh, goodness. So, here we go. Now, let that dry. See the difference in the eyes? It really does work so well for that area. It dries very quickly, and it stays all day, and you're not going to have big blobs down here. Sometimes when I've done, used other products, sometimes they will come down here, and you'll go look, and you'll have a big blob here, so you're not going to have that with this. So, got to let it dry. Okay, we're going to use this Proper eyeliner pencil. It is by Younique. I love it. It is my favorite. And we are going to use that 207 brush again from BK Beauty. And what I'm going to do, I'm not drawing on my face now. I'm not. I'm just taking it, putting it on the end. And what I'm going to do is just draw a line across here. If you struggle like me and your skin moves, this is a great way to give you some drama without the drama. Does that make sense? Because you know what I mean? Because your skin moves and it's so aggravating. So I'm just using this just like an eyeshadow, pretty much. That's what I'm doing. I'm just adding some depth because I do have hooded eyes. And look at my skin, how it moves, y'all. My skin is not perfect by no means. But just do it a little at a time. And you can see I'm taking it into my crease now. Kind of up. Angle it upward. This is a really great brush. It's very, very soft. It's not one of those that's going to stick your skin. Now, and it works well with skin that moves. So, hey, there you go. It's a good one. It's a really good one. And then in the end, you can always come back if you want to add a little bit of a brown eyeshadow. You can do that as well. I may or may not do that. I guess it just depends when I get done, when I look at it. Because a lot of times what I'll do is put this on and then I'll get a brush, kind of like this brush here, something like this, and just go over it and blend it out, blend it upward. It's just so pretty because remember, we've already put the highlight up here. So we're not having to come back and do that. So that's a cool thing. So I just like the fact that it's a very soft, beautiful look. And you can wear it with just about anything you want to, okay? That is really pretty. I do like it. I really do like it. So now we are going to, I don't know if I want to add a little bit more. Let's add a little bit more of this color here. And I'm going to take a little smaller brush like this so we can grab that color and just lightly go over. There we go. My boy barking. Happens when you had dogs and yeah. Somebody's leaving. He don't like it when you leave. He doesn't. He wants you to stay. He don't want you to go. Oh, that's so pretty. Now, I am going to take my finger and go into the lighter color here and just dot a little bit of that color through here. Just like that. Wow. I think this is such a beautiful palette. Now, wait till I put my mascara on. Oh, that really makes a huge difference. Okay, I decided something. Before we do mascara, I'm going to take this BK Beauty 210. Yes, 210. And I'm going to get a little bit of Proper right on the end. This one is like a little bullet brush. It's great. And you can, instead of trying to draw and our skin moves, because I'm 63 now, my skin's going to move. It just is. And so, here we go. This is one way you can add a little depth to the eye, okay, before you do your mascara. So the mascara that I want to use today, I think I'm going to use this one. This one is Exaggerated Eyes. Oh my gosh, it's Volume Mascara. It is really pretty. And I just love it. And I was trying to see what color it is, but I'll put everything. I will. This one is so, so pretty. And I just love it. I absolutely love it. Here we go. Ta-da! And it has this little brush here. Such a pretty mascara. And it does lengthen. Love it, love it, love it. Let me kind of roll it up. I'm going to do one eye for you so that you can see what the finished product will look like. Now, you can use any mascara you want to. This one just happens to be a really nice one, and I haven't used it in a while. And so I was like, pulled it out, and I'm like, you know, I need to use it before it goes bad. Because they will go bad. You only need to use them for a certain amount of time. Because you don't want bacteria getting into your eyes at all. Now I am going to put a little bit of color under here. But I'm going to do my concealer off camera because I've had videos on that already. But look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I just love it. I just love it. Now we're going to take BK Beauty 204 brush. It's just like a smudger brush. And I'm going to spray just a little bit of setting spray on it, Younique setting spray. And what we're going to do, this is what we're going to do. I'm going to take that color there. And we're going to use Proper, okay? We're going to come right underneath here. And so I'm going to mix these two together. Yes, you can. And the cool thing about it is we got the setting spray, and then this doesn't move. So hopefully you won't wind up with big blobs on your face. That's happened to me before. I was not a happy camper either. I walked into the bathroom like, you know, when we used to have big malls and stuff. I'm like, good Lord. Big old blob right there. Yeah, that was not fun. This is a great little brush though. And it's so easy to go right up underneath here and just kind of smudge it out. Add the color at the same time. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness. Now, I'm going to do the same thing again. Dip it into here and into there. And then, I don't even like to look at it when I'm doing it. Not really. I like to kind of look up. And then I come back. And then look at it. Because I don't like, you know, to draw too much attention to the under eye. But I really do love this little technique, and I think you will too. It is just a great way to do a little bit under the eye, just a little bit. We need a little tiny bit. And you can see I'm not like overly smoking it out. I used to now, I did. I loved it. But I can't do that anymore. I got too many wrinkles now. And darn it, I mean, I loved it, but I just can't do it anymore. I'm going to kind of darken out this little corner here just a tad. Just to kind of finish it up. Since we did our mascara. What do you think? Oh my goodness, I just love it. I do. I absolutely love it. Now we're going to use some Revolutionary Fix and Glow to end this with. I'm going to spray it. I've already done my face. So this stuff is amazing. And y'all know I love it because I use it every single week I come on here. Now, I don't have my things clean. They're not clean. But we're going to use them anyway, okay? Spray it. And then just bounce across. Gives you a beautiful little shine that you wouldn't normally probably have. Unless you're sweating, you know. And I swear, it's getting warmer here. Today is beautiful. We've had some nice, pretty days here lately, here in Alabama. Okay, so if you're new here, yes, I'm a Southern girl, and I do love my makeup, and I just like hanging out with girlfriends too. Okay, look at that. Now, the last thing you do, I always do, is fluff my hair up. I didn't wash my hair today. This is second day hair, so I'm trying to not wash it every single day because I have such baby fine hair. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. Let me sit here and close my eye for you. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? You will love these. I am gonna go back sometime this week, and I'm gonna get, if they have that nude one, I'm getting it because that's the one I really wanted. But this one was the only one available. I'm sure you could go to their website though and look at these. These are great. And I want to say they were like $14.99. I can't remember. I just know I thought they were pretty and I wanted to try them. And I really, really, really do love this one. I do. Come on, girl. You can do it. All right. Please like and share and click that notification bell. I'm here on Sundays only, and I love it when you come and hang out with me. And I appreciate you so much for popping in. I really do. And all the links will be there for Younique stuff that I've used, and then the other stuff will be tagged, okay? So, all right. Y'all go and have a fabulous Sunday. See you later.